How to get TikTok Shop permission. Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can find and access your TikTok Shop by fixing the TikTok Shop not showing. So first things first, head over to your TikTok app. Now onto your profile section, you're going to click onto the top right hand side of the screen and click on settings and privacy. Go all the way down to support and about. From here, you're going to click on report a problem. Now here, another list is going to drop by. We're going to head all the way down to clicking on submit a report. There you're going to manually enter and tell them the issue that you're facing. Here we can enter that my TikTok shop is not showing, so please help me. You can also add in certain screenshots or some video recordings for, more evidence or more proof, and simply click on submit. TikTok is then going to reach you out using your email with, supportive assistance to help you out. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe.